got spoon. Got some fries from Jollibee. Okay. Sorry, Tommy. I borrow some of, not borrow, I drink some of your milk. Anyway, today is my birthday. Another year old again. This year, I'm getting old. Anyway, I think it's kind of a thing now where every time it's my birthday, I just like talk without doing anything. So, yeah, anyway, it's my birthday. My last, you know what? I was thinking if it's, you know, like everyone's birthday should be their new year, right? Like the Roman calendar year, it's like January 1st is the new year. But I believe that everyone's new year starts on their birthday because you actually literally turn another year old. So it's a new year. I think I'm on to something here. Anyway, so have been a lot has happened to me. Like my past old year, um, things didn't go as planned. Lot of stupid stuff happened in my life and really derail my road to where I'm trying to go. So at least I have my anchor on the path that I want to go. So even I go that far, it still pulls me back to that path. So that is a good thing. I planned a lot of things that I was supposed to do when I posted like my birthday video. So those things didn't happen. So I believe and I think this year, you know what? My new year starts today. My birthday. Well, actually, yeah, today is my birthday, but not on this day of upload. I can upload it like, I don't know, 2 3 weeks now. My birthday is past when this vlog is uploaded. So anyway, having some cake. This is not my birthday cake. It's Timmy's birthday cake, but this is the last piece, so might as well. This is like really sad, eating other people's birthday cake on your birthday. Probably next year will be a great birthday here for me. Tommy disagree. So yeah, last year's my birthday actually had Jollibee. So this year again, I just get one Jollibee. Anyway, my plan's still the same. I don't like talking about my plan now because sometimes it doesn't work out. Oh, life. So yeah, I feel good. Even though a lot of up. Oh, sorry for eating and talking at the same time. Let me just. Even a lot have happened. I still have high hopes for where my life is going and the path that leads me to it. So still have high hopes. I'll get there one day. Hopefully sooner. But yeah, all in all, I'm grateful for another year. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. There's like people who watch my vlog, like my vlogs sometimes. Most of you guys just watch it and move on with your life instead of liking it. I don't really mind. Thank you for taking your time out, like 7 8 minutes of your time, sometimes 10 11 12 minutes of your time just to watch my vlog, and I really appreciate that. And probably 6 minutes of this, I'm trying to cut it down to 6 minutes of talking shenanigans. So thank you. And also the people behind, I thank them personally, but help me, support me through this life. So it's been great, great life. So thank you, everyone. People who watch my YouTube videos, spend like 7 minutes of your time to take your 7 minutes of your time of your life to watch my video. Thank you so much. And the people who support me from behind the curtain. It sounds weird when I say that, but yeah, those people, they know who they are. So I want to say thank you all. Salamat lahat. Um, yeah. See you on the next one.